Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so let's just go ahead and I'm just going to delete these three just because we don't really need to do that. And I'm going to also get rid of this one too. Okay, so one thing we're going to do is we're going to add in a couple more breaks here. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're just going to add in, we're going to say checklists. Okay, and maybe take away one. There we go. Okay, so what's going to end up happening here is we're going to add in another type of input type here. So let's just go ahead and let's put an input type, and it's going to equal radio. Okay, and the name is going to equal radio 1. Okay, and I'm going to add in a break here. Okay, and another thing we're going to do is just add in a break after checklists. And so as you can see, there's this radio button right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this out and I'm going to paste it 4 times. And I'm going to change the name because in HTML this won't cause an error, but if you're in other programming languages, it will cause an error. All right. So as you can see, there are these radio buttons here that you can go in and push. And that's pretty much what it is. Now we can actually even give names to it. We can say option 1. We can say option 2. Now I should also point out that this looks a lot better, right? If you can kind of squint in and look at the screen here. And the reason why it's kind of messed up is because I'm actually I've actually increased the size of the text. Okay? And something to be aware of. Because some people actually do browse the internet with a higher size because they might be visually impaired or whatnot. All right, so option 4. Okay, and there we go. We have all these different types of radio buttons. Sounds kind of cool, right? I'll see you guys in the next